Hello all, I'm Himanshu Deshmukh here. I'm holistic wellness expert. And today let's talk about emotional eating. Many times we are so much aware about eating, like the nutrition, and then we make a diet plan that we will eat only healthy food and no junk food and all. And we follow that. But sometimes we don't follow it, and unconsciously we eat some kind of junk food or the food which is not required at that point of time. uh, then why this happens? This happens because of emotional eating. So our brain is very complex, and then we will not get into in detail about that. But just to understand this in very simple way, there is emotional brain and there is a rational brain, right? And emotional brain is quite very powerful actually. So whatever decisions we are taking, we think rationally many times, but we take decisions emotionally with respect to our emotions and feelings, and emotional eating is happening because of this emotional side of our brain. Emotional eating is happening because of the stress, because of what is going on in your mind. So how to avoid this emotional eating? Because whatever the hard work you have done by keeping that particular food discipline will go west if you will do one emotional eating one day per day. One emotional eating, all the efforts will go west. As per one survey, it has been found that most of the times people eat junk food on Monday. Can you believe it? Because of the stress which we have, because of the perceived stress, actually, we eat a lot on Monday. And so let's understand this emotional eating. But I would suggest to take notes of this, because there are some questions which I will be asking. There is one exercise which we have to do. Now, what is that exercise? So first thing is that we have to go back to our past, say like 1 week back, when you have done emotional eating. So identify that one incident where it was not required, but you ate something and it was particularly junk food kind of food which you ate. Get the awareness of that incident. Write it in your notebook, that one incident where you ate junk food which was your emotional eating. Now the second thing is, write down all the stuff that was happening around you just before that episode happened. So we have to do the analysis that what was going on at that point of time in your mind, because of which you had done emotional eating. So the questions to be asked: where were you? You were at home. Where were you? In the kitchen, in the bedroom? Where were you? Second question: what were you doing? Third question: what were you thinking at that point of time? Was there something with respect to your work or any kind of stressful situation, anxiety? You were not sure what's going to happen. What was going on in your mind? What were you thinking? What were you feeling? You were nervous, you were stressed out, you were missing out on something. What was going on in your mind? How were you feeling? Who was with you? So these are the 5 questions you have to ask just before that emotional eating episode happened. Where were you? What were you doing? What were you thinking? What were you feeling? And who was with you? Right? These are the 5 questions. Now, there is a next activity we have to do. First is, see if you back a few hours before that episode now. Say like 3 hours before that episode, before that emotional eating, or 2 hours before that. And then ask the same kind of question, that where were you? What were you doing? What were you feeling? Who was with you? What were you thinking? So what I am suggesting here, that first is getting awareness of one incident in the past. It could be like in the last 2-3 days or 1 week time frame where the emotional eating happened. Get awareness of that, write it down. Second thing, these 5 questions which I specified, ask yourself those 5 questions just before that episode happened. And third thing is that go back, say like 2 hours or 1 hour, not 1 hour, but at least 2 hours, 3 hours time frame, and analyze the situation, that what were happening, what was happening at that point of time, what kind of thoughts, what kind of feelings, where were you, who were with you. Analyze this, write it down. Now do this exercise regularly. Emotional eating is happening, say like twice or thrice a week. Write it down. You will understand the pattern. You were not hungry at that point of time. You were stressed out, you were not feeling well, you were having some kind of anxiety, and then you wanted to get rid of that feeling, and that's how you just got into the kitchen. You have gone to the kitchen, opened the fridge, ate something. You are not hungry, but you ate. It's not for your body, but it is for your mind, and that mind is conscious mind, emotional mind. Emotional eating can be avoided if you are aware and if you understand the pattern in the same. So if you want the better health results, get aware and avoid this emotional eating. Thank you very much. Please give me your feedback as well. Thanks a lot.